Yeah, hi guys. Yeah, hi guys. Now let's see the record triggered flow super batch unit. Right, we already completed the record triggered flow, a small module. Then after we have the main module is the. So first, what you have to do, you need to create a new Salesforce org with a special configuration. Right, so once you create it, you have to connect your playground. That's it. Right, so and then after, just how to launch your playground. Right, your Salesforce account. That's it. So now. So here, okay, see here. So we have to create a flow. We have to create a flow. Got it? That is the opportunity from engagement. Right? Which should run only when the potential donation field, right? That is the percentage is true. Right? So whenever the engagement record is created or updated. Got it? On which object we are creating? We are creating this one on engagement object. Got it? Whenever the record was created or updated. Right? Now come here. Click on here new flow. So what was the flow? Record triggered. Select start from the scratch and select a record triggered flow. Then click on here create. Done. So on which object we are creating? That is on engagement object. Select the engagement object. When you want to execute, whenever the record was created and updated. That's it. Right? The condition. What's the end condition? Right? The conditions are met. So what's that condition? See here. Potential donation is set to true. Got it. Now come here. Potential donation equals to true. Equals to true. Got it? Right. So next, see here. Only when the record is updated or meet the conditions and requirement. Just how to select this option and select this actions and related actions. That's it. Right. The first point is we completed. Then close it. And then after, see here. Right. So use a get record elements to query the donation record type based on its developer name. Got it. So next what we have to do, we need to add an element that is a get records. Click on here add element. What's that? Get record. Select the get records. What was the label? What was the label? They didn't given. Just you can type get records. Get records. On which object? On which object? That is a record type. A record type under the record type object. Now, wait, so record type object. See here, the donation, sorry, developer name equals to donation. Developer name equals to donation. Now you can come here. Developer name equals to what's that? Donation. Developer name equals to donation. Got it. So only the first record and automatically store all the fields. That's it, right? The second point also completed. Then close this. Next. Next, what we have to do, right? To store all the fields, right? Right. So use the originating engagement records name, end date, and related account to set the engagement name, close date, and account ID fields on the new opportunity record. So make sure you set the opportunity record type dynamically, set the new opportunity stage to the prospecting, and then active the flow. Right. So now what we have to do, so we need to create a record. We need to create a record. Now you can come here. So add the element, create records. Add the element, create records. Got it. So now just I'm giving create records. Create records. Got it. So how to set the record values, right? So I want to enter the data manually. I want to enter the data manually. Got it. On which object? So that's on opportunity object. Select the opportunity object. Select the opportunity object. Right. So here they given some fields. Right. For that fields we need to assign the values. Got it. So first. Right. So first we'll see the account ID. Now you can come here, account ID, account ID. Right. See here, the targeting engagement account, targeting engagement account. Next, second one is what? Close date, close date. See, targeting engagement, close date is nothing but what? That is the end date. Select the end date. Next, the next one is what? Engagement. Now you can come here, engagement, engagement. Now, so targeting engagement, later, record the ID, targeting engagement, the record the ID. Next, I want to add the name. So what's name? Targeting engagement, right? So here we have a engagement name is there, engagement name. Next field is what? Okay, stage to the prospecting. Now, stage. What was the stage? Stage is a prospecting. And next, so record type dynamically. Make sure that record type dynamically. Okay. So now you can come here. So we can add a record type ID also. Record type ID. Right. So now targeting engagement, targeting engagement, record ID. Not recorded, record type ID. Record type ID. Record type. Okay, sorry. Here, the record type get records is there now. Here, just you can find out a record type ID. That's it. Next, so what we are doing? So manually we are assigning the value. Check this checkbox and store the opportunity ID in the variable. Right. So where you are storing? Right. See here, record the type from the get records. Record the type. Record the type. Record type ID. Record type ID. That's it. Clear? Later. And then after, click on save button. Click on save button. What was the flow name? That is opportunity from engagement. Copy. Opportunity from engagement. Click on here save. Done. Right. So the first challenge. Right. We done. Got it. So now you can go here. That is the first challenge. Now you can come here. Right. Check this challenge. Click on here. Check the challenge. We cannot find an active. Oh, sorry. We need to activate it. Done. Now you can come here. Check this challenge. Done. Completed.